Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Listen and Learn English. Fun and story based lessons.
Hey there, friends! I'm Tom.
And I'm Emma.
Today, we're having a fun and friendly chat about one of my favorite things, a rainy day at home.
Exactly. We'll talk about cozy afternoons, warm drinks, and all the little things that make rainy days feel peaceful.
And before we begin, please help our small English channel grow. Just click subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss a story.
Thank you so much. Now, get your tea, sit somewhere warm, and enjoy learning English with us. Coffee yellow.
Listen to that sound, Emma. The rain's falling softly on the roof.
I love that sound. It's like nature is whispering, slow down.
True. I was going to wash the car, but maybe not today.
Ha ha ha. Definitely not. Let's stay inside and relax.
Good idea. What do you usually do on rainy days?
Hmm. I make tea, grab a blanket, and read a book. You?
I watch movies or cook something warm. Sometimes I just watch the rain from the window.
That sounds peaceful. The world outside looks softer when it rains.
Yeah, everything feels quiet, like time moves slower.
Speaking of tea, should I make some now?
Please do. I'll make coffee for myself.
Always coffee, never tea.
I need strong energy to survive gloomy weather.
I think rainy days are for gentle moods. Tea, music, and soft blankets.
Or for snacks and funny videos.
That's your kind of comfort. What snack are you thinking about?
Toast with honey. Or maybe popcorn.
Popcorn on a rainy afternoon?
Why not? Movies and popcorn are perfect for any weather.
Fair point. Okay. Tea for me, coffee for you, popcorn for both.
Do you listen to music when it rains?
Always. I have a rainy day playlist. Soft piano, calm guitar.
I like jazz when it rains. Makes me feel like I'm in an old movie.
Ha ha ha. You do look like a movie character staring out the window
Maybe I'm just waiting for the sunshine.
or waiting for cookies.
That too. Rainy days make me hungry.
Everything makes you hungry.
True. But rainy food hits differently. Warm soup, noodles, or fresh bread.
Yum. Okay, now you've made me hungry. Some people say rainy days are boring
Not for me. They're perfect for doing nothing.
or for reading. When it rains, I can read for hours.
What are you reading now?
Little Women. It's peaceful and sweet.
Classic. I'm more of a mystery guy. Detectives, secrets, suspense.
That fits your curious personality.
Thanks, I think. Ha ha ha.
We could watch a movie later. Something cozy.
How about an old comedy?
Perfect. Laughter and rain go well together.
You know, rainy days remind me to slow down.
Yes, to stop rushing and just breathe.
Normally, our days are full of noise. Emails, meetings, messages,
Exactly. Rain gives us permission to pause
and to think.
or to dream.
Sometimes I remember old memories when it rains.
Like childhood days playing in puddles.
Yes, jumping in water, getting soaked, laughing.
That's the best kind of fun. Simple and messy.
I agree. We should do that again someday.
Maybe not in these clothes.
The sky's getting darker already.
Let's light a candle. It'll make the room warm and pretty.
Great idea. The rain looks beautiful through the candlelight.
It feels like a little holiday at home.
A staycation. Staying in but relaxing like you're away.
Exactly. You don't need to travel far to rest.
Maybe we should make hot chocolate too.
Now that's real comfort.
With marshmallows?
Of course.
You know what I love most about rainy days?
What?
They make people gentle. Softer voices, slower moves.
That's true. Even the cat sleeps longer.
Ha ha ha. Milo is the real king of relaxation.
He's probably dreaming of chasing raindrops.
I like how you find poetry in everything.
Rain inspires me. It reminds me that even cloudy days bring life to the earth.
That's a beautiful thought.
What do families usually do on rainy evenings?
Games, talking, maybe cooking together.
I love playing board games with family
I always lose at those.
because you cheat and still lose.
Ha ha ha. True, but it's fun.
My favorite part is sitting together, talking and laughing.
That's what makes a house feel like home.
Yes, it's not about the weather, it's about the warmth inside.
The rain is slowing down now.
The sky looks calm, the street lights are glowing.
I like this time of day. Quiet and peaceful.
Same here. Maybe we'll see a rainbow tomorrow.
Or maybe another rainy day. I wouldn't mind.
Me neither. Sometimes staying home is exactly what we need.
Agreed.
So, dear friends watching, what do you do on rainy days?
Do you read, cook, nap, or just listen to the rain?
Tell us in the comments below. We'd love to know.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to help our channel grow.
We're so happy you're learning English with us.
Every view, every comment, every smile keeps us going.
Thank you for being part of our small English family.
Stay warm, stay positive, and enjoy every rainy day.
See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.